I am happy to introduce the revolutionary app for traders and investors in the markets based on highly accurate, artificially intelligent algorithms from the legend, Alex Vieira, with an uncanny track record since 1989. We are the first to bring real-time AI portfolio analysis, AI bot trading, and AI risk analysis for the iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, and Apple TV. Watch the magic synchronized across your devices. Access highly accurate AI data analysis and AI bot trade signals in a custom dashboard. Trade stocks, ETFs, forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. We help you make better decisions by ensuring your most important, accurate, and reliable portfolio analysis is always a glance away. Choose your own portfolio and widgets according to your budget, or go with one of the available artificially intelligent plans. I invite you to enroll in the free course to learn how simple it is, and to learn what no one else can do. You are one step away from dramatically improve your life according to hundreds of legitimate users' reviews. No one can beat you using artificial intelligence in the markets.
Hi, good morning. Alex here with Lululemon live ahead and after earnings, offering you 100% free information, 100% accurate, and teaching people how to make millions of dollars investing in Lululemon throughout the years. We have been here for many years precisely doing so. We never asked any money for it. So you have here the most recent article explaining how to make whatever you wanted ahead of earnings. The first thing that you have to go through is there is an article on the blog a few weeks ago informing everyone to buy shares of Lululemon at a price of $198, bear market prices. Having said this, then my colleagues, they wrote several articles. One of them, this was more than 1 month ago, to buy more shares during the process, since we bought a tremendous amount of shares of Lululemon, as you can see it here. The same person then told you also ahead of earnings on Shopify, a free call, that Shopify was going to reach $800. It got to $840, and the same person told you then to sell Shopify. We have been here for the past couple of months since Shopify it was $500, saying every single day to buy shares of Shopify. So going back to Lululemon, for you to see how simple this is, we informed that ahead of earnings that to sell shares at $320, okay, plus. So this was yesterday. In fact, the share price was 323 or so. And then as the company reported earnings, so we also informed people that Cramer it was coming for Lululemon. We already knew this, so everyone knows how simple it is. So we informed people. These news, you have them well ahead of Lululemon earnings. And after the company reported earnings, that by the way, everyone knew that Lululemon it was going to miss, because during this pandemic there was no other alternative. 100% of the companies in this sector, they missed it. So Lululemon obviously it was going to miss earnings, right? So after the company missed earnings, you have here buying Lululemon shares, obviously on weakness, since the Americans they do precisely the opposite. And then today, when the Americans they thought that Lululemon it was going to crash, you have here the short sellers covering at new highs, and obviously this represents a tremendous profit. So if you want to learn more how this is possible, and by the way, I repeat, the 100% free everything explained step by step on the blog of the company. You can play this video and you are going to see how to make millions of dollars. But on the short side, selling short, American scammers on gambling on genius brands, that obviously it is not Lululemon, okay? So congratulations to everyone. It works all the time and since 1989.